$2,614 is the exact number that we have earned in the last 40 days, starting a method completely from scratch. In today's video, I'll share with you the method, I'll share with you the numbers, and if you watch the video till the end, I'll share something pretty special with you. So if you're excited, let's go ahead and just dive straight into today's video. Hello and welcome. So on the screen here, you can see it says day 40. £2,075. I'm in the UK, so that's UK pricing. Then you'll see here that equals $2,614. Now, this over here has been a recent case study that we have done in the university. We've documented the whole thing. I mean, look at the jump here. On day 28, we'd earned £1,000. Fast forward a few more days, 12 days, we've earned £2,000. The numbers of this have just been ridiculous from the whole thing, literally from the whole thing. This case study over here, we started this, and you'll see here, where's it gone? By day 2, we'd earned our first commission. It's ridiculously simple, okay? So the method we're looking at today, and I shared a video with you all on this, I think it was about 2 weeks ago when we looked at this video, when we looked at this method, sorry, is this over here. It is the TikTok affiliate program. And I keep mentioning this and sharing, videos here and there and mention it over on Facebook because in all the years I've been online, earning an income, I've never seen anything this simple. I genuinely haven't. My son, who's 10, is doing this method. He had his first $100 day last week. It's ridiculous, okay? And how this whole method works is it's basic affiliate marketing. So what that means is, you can see over here, I'm on the TikTok shop. You find a product that it says on here, find a product to sell. You're not selling it, you're promoting it. You're sharing a video around a product, okay? And then once you've found a product, you can add that product into a video. If somebody buys that product, you earn a commission, okay? Now, traditionally, this method is known as user-generated content. So basically, you're creating content normally on your phone, okay? And then what happens is you would create a video on your phone and you would upload it onto TikTok. Now, this is where this method gets a little bit different to traditional methods, okay? You don't have to be on camera. You don't have to speak. TikTok will even make the videos for you, which I know you're probably thinking sounds absolutely ridiculous, but it's genuine. If I come over here, in the case study here, you can see, look, how to get TikTok to make the videos. I'm going to make this a bit bigger so you can see the process, okay? And I'll try and mute the video just so you can see how simple this is, okay? Click on it. And I'm going to mute it. So this is what it looks like, okay? So I'm just going to go along and find where we're actually inside of here. So this is what it looks like in the back end once you're inside the TikTok shop, okay? And you can see down here it says Video Maker. But this is literally the whole process of what we was doing at the start of the case study. We would go up here, you can see, into the TikTok product marketplace. And you can see here, look, earn £1.50, earn £4.80. You can earn different amounts of money depending on the seller and the commission rate that they have set, okay? But all you do is you go into the marketplace and you find a product to promote, okay? So let me just see if I can speed this up. So here we've selected this here. What is that? That's a mop. And £1.50 per video, okay? Then here we press the button and it goes through. Everything you type in here will go into the video. These little options here where it says selling points, if you press the tick button, it will add those over the top of the video for you. And then literally, let me just skip this process here for you. So you can see here, look, TikTok is now creating the video for you. They even include, you can see down here, add a call to action sticker. Click on that. So then, you're not on camera, you're not speaking, TikTok makes the video for you, they add a call to action in here, and they put the affiliate link in the video. It's ridiculous, isn't it? And here's the thing, down here you will notice we've got 6 different options for videos. So it will create 6 different styles of videos for you. And then it has text in here. It has a call to action. You can have stickers and other bits inside of here. But once it's done, so that's the video. Once it's done, you can post that video on TikTok and it includes your affiliate link. Basic affiliate marketing. No email lists, no websites, nothing. And this is literally the process. And that's it. It's crazy. It's absolutely crazy. So in the case study, we've covered this. So with this method, by day 2, we'd earn our first commission. You can also get free products, and we've had quite a number of them since we started this method. And yeah, this has just been, it's been an unbelievable case study to say the least, okay? Now, in terms of this method, okay, this is another question I do get asked about this. In terms of this method, TikTok affiliate for creators, okay, how does it work? How can you join this? Well, there are two. Well, there are two criteria to this. So first of all, let me show you this. So I'm going to type in TikTok shop affiliate countries, because it is only available at this moment in time in a number of countries. It's available in the UK, it's available in the US, and it's also available in Chinese mainland, Indonesia, Malaysia, Thailand, Vietnam, Philippines, and Singapore. They are also planning to expand it across into Europe. This includes Germany, Spain, Italy, and a number of countries. Okay, so number one is you've got to be in UK, US, or one of these countries. The other thing is, if you're in the UK, you need 1,000 followers, and if you're in the US, you need 5,000 followers. Okay, it's not hard to do. You can just buy followers essentially. So you can buy. I mean, did TikTok like it? Probably not. But does it work? 100%. Everyone who's been doing this method in the university have just gone through this process. Just bought followers. Once you've bought your followers, you need to have a video on TikTok. What does that video have to be? It could be anything, literally anything. You could take your cup out, take your phone out, and record a video of a cup or anything. It doesn't matter. You've just got to have a video. Once that video is on your profile and you've got the followers, you can then apply to the TikTok affiliate program. Once you've been approved into that, it's pretty much instantly. So once you hit the criteria, you hit on apply, and then it says, we'll review your account and we'll send you an email. On my account, it happened instantly. On my son's account, it happened instantly, and on many members in the university, it happened instantly. It just literally went through. There didn't seem to be a process for that. But this is it. Now this over here, this method, although it's basic affiliate marketing, it is essentially user generated content, because that is what it is. And this is whereby we're starting to see lots of companies and brands and businesses, instead of doing the traditional marketing, paid ads, spending time building websites and running promotions, a lot of people now are going down this option over here, which is user generated content, because they know they can reach a bigger audience for a lot less cheaper, and they could be getting more awareness and more sales. For us as creators, it's awesome, because if I scroll down here, it's what did I say? It's awesome. Yeah, it is awesome. It's awesome for the simple fact being, once you get this method up and running, you're doing basic affiliate marketing, you're earning money. But then, if I come back over here, come further down the page here, get free products. In the TikTok affiliate program, there are thousands, and I mean thousands of sellers who are literally wanting to give you their products completely for free. Once you get the product, you do a video. Do you have to be on camera? No. Do you have to talk? No, you don't. You've just got to create a video and feature that product in it. And then what happens is you get your affiliate link from TikTok, it goes into the video, you post a video, and then guess what? You can be earning money from that video that you put onto TikTok, and you get to keep the product. It's insane. It's absolutely insane. So yeah, and look, by the way, right, this over here, this whole case study, we're up to it was day 40 yesterday. We shared this in the Facebook group. These were the earnings so far. My son, who's 10, who's been doing this for the same amount of time, so far in the last 40 days, has earned nearly £500, which is about $610. And he's 10 doing this method. And there genuinely isn't an easier or better time to be making money online than now, especially with AI and everything else. And I say this all the time. Earning online is not difficult. It isn't. If you follow a proven plan and go through the steps and set everything up correctly, you can be earning money 100%. Over here in the university, this is the recent case study that we've done. We earn money. If we come over to like this one over here, another case study. This one here is still automated and ongoing. In this case study over here, again, we walk you through the process, everything we do, prompts we're using, linking, etc. In this case study, we earned money by our first commission came in on day 15. That was automated AI websites. Again, we'll show you all of the process in here. That was one case study. I'll share one last one with you. This one over here, YouTube and Amazon, how to get paid in 4 different ways. Again, starting from scratch. Scroll down the page here. How long did this one take us to earn some money? 14 days. Starting a method completely from scratch by day 14, we'd earn our first commission. On day 16, we started appearing on Google, and then we're just going through the rest of this method over here. Now, look, the university is currently open on a flash sale. Today is the last day for this, and then we are closing the doors until next year. So if you've been waiting to get in the university, now is the time. We've got 60% off the normal price. You'll see we've got not just these case studies down here, we've got the case study section, and then we've got all of the other sections, okay? We've got the affiliate marketing section, we've got the YouTube section, TikTok, we've just added in a workshop section down here, so creating Instagram theme pages. We've got all of this in here. We have resources, niches, and homework. And then we just added this one last night, how to create books and publish them over on Amazon. This here, you can see this workshop was an hour and 17 minutes. Additional resources, guides in here, and lots more. So yeah, look, that's the university. I'll link it down below. But either way, if you're not in the university and you don't want to, join us, then that's not a problem. But I still highly encourage you to go ahead and check out this TikTok affiliate for creators, because hands down, simple, easy, and works. So yeah, look, that's today's video. If you have any questions, let me know. But yeah, take care and I'll see you soon.